Want to grow more plants and save real money doing it? Well, stick around because today I'm showing you how to start seeds the sustainable way, with zero waste and maximum growth. Before we dig in, hit that like button if you love getting your hands dirty without emptying your wallet, and subscribe for more no-frills, practical gardening tips just like this. You don't need fancy seed trays, just look around your kitchen. Here are 3 free and compostable options that actually work. Toilet paper tubes, cut them in half, fold the bottom, and fill with soil. These hold moisture well and go straight into the ground. Egg cartons, the cardboard kind, are ideal for small seedlings like lettuce or herbs. Just snip and plant directly. Old yogurt cups, poke drainage holes and reuse them season after season. They're sturdy and durable. Using these not only saves money, but reduces plastic waste. A win for your garden and the planet. Store-bought seed mixes are expensive and often packed in plastic. Instead, make your own using 1 part coconut coir or a peat-free alternative to retain moisture, 1 part finished compost to add nutrients, and 1 part perlite or coarse sand to improve drainage. This homemade mix is fully natural, customizable, and gives your seedlings a healthy head start. No chemicals needed. Oh, and here's a tip. Use a kitchen strainer to sift compost for finer particles, which means better root contact for your seeds. Even the most sustainable setups can, totally fail without proper watering and light. Bottom watering is a game changer. Just place your containers in a shallow tray and let them soak up moisture from below. This simple trick avoids mold and actually strengthens root systems. For natural light, south-facing windows work great. Oh, and don't forget to rotate your trays every day for even growth. No sun, no problem. Clip-on LED grow lights use very little energy and give you strong seedlings without burning up your power bill. And here's a bonus tip. Add a clear plastic dome or just reuse a food container lid to hold in humidity for the first few days. Instant mini greenhouse. And just like that, you've got a zero-waste, budget-friendly seed starting system that actually works. If you learned something new, sprout a comment below and tell me what you're planting this season. And don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips that really grow results.